Today we are doing a DJI Mini open box. So first of all, this is what we are seeing. I ordered some extra stuff. First of all, the DJI Mini. I got the charging case. I got the landing pad. So these are all extra stuff. First of all, the DJI Mini. I got the Fly More combo. Ta-da! Looking pretty. Okay, so that it has this combo accessory instruction accessory. Let's make sure there's nothing more. Okay, this first. Wow. More accessory. Controlling. I don't know if you can see, but whatever. This is the what was so light. Oh my god. It's actually so light. Like this is heavier obviously with the battery, I think. Okay, so the battery's not in yet, which we will take it out later. There's a sticker in here showing me how to fold it, which I'm gonna need to know. Oh, there's stickers. There's stickers like everywhere. The battery case. Cables. They have like the thing. They have extra ones as well. Bossy pie. More cable. Micro USB, they're both the same. Okay, this is cable to connect to things. Extra component with the screws included. Very nice. These are the batteries. It looks like this. Ugly. Just like this. Oh wait. Here is the menu. This is the case for safe flying. This is the quick start guide. Let's open this first. So pretty. Look at this. Oh, very nice. They have a little flap where you can start here. So there's no scratching or whatever. So basically, this thing you can unplug this. It's magnet to here. So you just plug it in here and then just go right back in. The bad thing though is that this does not have a lock, so you have to pick this up with the base, which is fine. For the cables, I'm assuming. So I need to download the app first. I have a small hand. This is Samsung S8 Plus. apparently I have to charge first. Oh, interesting. Boing. Like that. Okay. Got the sticker first. So for those of you who don't know about DJI Mini, it is obviously pocket size. They actually have bags for it too, like little tiny bags, which is feel pretty good. I really want them, but I didn't think I need it since I have the case. But I might get it later. And then it's 249 gram, which means it's not at the 250 gram regulating limit where you have to register your drone with the government. So that's good. I just plugged it in. Wait. Oh. So according to this, it will only work if they are like parallel straight. Go like this. You can go flat like this. You can go up like this. Yeah, you can go like this as well. But apparently it won't work if they go like this. So they have to go straight. Like that. Hello. Fast forward 3-4 hours later. Okay, so my battery is charged. Even with the battery, it's still very light. Looks like a spider. Connect aircraft. Mavic Mini. It is updating. Right now, these are some of the stuff I got. Very cute. So basically, you draw on this thing, and then you can put it on top of the drone. And then like they have a little Lego box that you can put this little Lego figure on and just fly around with it. This is what I want to open. So basically it comes with the bag, and then you can open it with some sticker, and then you can put this onto the ground. Some more stickers. Whoa. This is what we're doing. I like orange. Scary, what the f***? Okay, that was pretty fun. looks like this. So there you go.